Alright, today's video is about Ford Transit 2017 and is how to replace your cigarette lighter to USB port system. I try to pry this with the one hand, but it's not really. That's from actually dash cam. Mount. You can see there's a cigarette lighter right here. Alright. So you got that piece. It's the safety tabs. I just gotta bend this back. Alright, so this is the cigarette lighter. You gotta disconnect. Now we're gonna replace this to USB. First, what we have to do, you're gonna pull these tabs out with a mini tool, and of course, you have to figure out. I don't know what's exactly which one is which one, but you have to get your multimeter and check exactly what's up. So how you remove these things, basically you have to pry out on those pieces, the small pieces. Let me show you. It's one right here, that's one right here, and then this thing slides out. So if you slide out this, you'll be able to remove this cap, because this one is held on a tension, just like that. You got it. So this is your extra part. Then let me just forget my GoPro. I can't really. Just do this. Look at this. Chinese guy make mistake again. See? Try to pull it. This is stays. And I'm gonna do this right now. So how you find out which one is your negative, which is positive? So you connect one to the lead, and then that's a cheap old multimeter, and you can use your another cigarette lighter or just hook up somewhere to the ground. Make sure you have bonded good connection to somewhere unpainted surface. So like you see the bolt right here, you see there was nothing, no readout. So basically this is your ground, the black one is your ground, and if you hook up to the cigarette lighter, your outside shell, it's your ground. But if you hook up the bottom, you get the readout 12.5. so if you hook up right there inside, so you know what I mean. So this is your negative. So we got the negative out. The reason why I left the positive, it needs extra shelf. Minus, you can put some wrapping, electric tape if you want, but I don't need that. And there's a pin you have to pull a little bit to pull that out. It's right here located, so you have to just pray on it and it just comes up. Not this piece, because first I was thinking this is the part you have to pull it. That's your, no, not that. That was like that plastic sim. So we're not removing that, because if any case scenario you want to put this back, you can always put this back, there's no problem. Alright, so let me put this together, and right away this just fits like it looks nice. Yeah, they have some on Amazon with the voltage and everything. I just need 3 USB. The reason why I didn't do here, because it's you don't need that here, because I just it's the position on it. It's just something can fall inside to that USB ports. This is a good location. So this is it. You gotta just put this same place it used to be. Another punch. So you see, if you put your key in, it works, no problem. And this is the little button. Wow, look at this. No, I just have to. Yeah, so the negative, it's a little bit loose. So what I did, I just crimped a little bit that side, so it just tied better to the connection. So if you put that one in, should now it's gonna be tight the way it's supposed to. Okay, that's it. Oh yeah, and this is alright. So now, yeah, now we're back in business. Little punch. Okay, fits right in, perfect. So now we can charge phone, anything you want, you know, with that. So you don't need that charging ports anymore. And yeah, this one as well. Yeah, this one you can change. I don't know the buttons, what's supposed to be working or not. Oh no, this is a touch. No shit. Look at this. It's touchy. Wow, let me try on my phone. If this is really turbo-ish. So yeah, everything works. And this is the touch button. Basically, I don't know if it's for. That was what my fingers. Oh yeah, you see? It's working, not working. I don't know, with that finger doesn't work. I have to be wetted. See, Magic Man. This one works. This one works too. Okay, so this is it. If you guys like it, you don't like it, let me know. See ya.